Hey everybody, it's Tuesday. Hey, look here. This week we're gonna do a little taste test. Last week when I was doing the fajitas, I found something while I was there and I was like, man, that might be really cool out at camp. Tacos in a can. Now check it out. It's the Paste Taco Complete. That's our meat stuffing, and it looks like it's got beef and pork crumble. It's got some tomato puree. It's got some soy protein concentrate. So I think that's kind of like our, what you'd call TVP from a vegetarian standpoint, which is textured vegetable protein. It's got corn, it's got red peppers, it's got black beans, some other spices, vinegar, sugar, garlic, etc., all the stuff for flavor, right? But that's the basics of it with our meat stuffing and a few vegetables. And they say it makes 7 tacos. I'm not so sure about that, but we're gonna heat it up and use some of my leftover fajita wraps, and we're gonna make some tacos and see if this stuff is worth carrying out on the trail with us. Now, I don't know that I'm going to carry a can of taco filling backpacking, but if I was canoe camping or I was out there with a group of fellas and doing a trip like that, or something of that nature, I might carry a can with me. I'm base camping. Looks kind of like chili in there. We're going to roll old school with the GI Canteen cup. Heat it up. You see the corn and the pepper and the bean in there? So you just need to add some green stuff if you want the green stuff. I'm gonna keep it simple today, and we're just gonna do a little cheese. Let's see, a cold test, room temperature. Taco seasoning's there. Yeah, this might work, y'all. Let's get a little heat on. I'm gonna do that on a really low flame. There's not a lot of liquid in there. I might go get a little water in my can to put in there to get a little steam action going through it. And so, like, the directions for this guy are super simple. It just says put it in a pan and heat it over heat till it's warm. So I'm just gonna put just a touch of water on there, down there on the bottom of this guy, to kind of steam up through it. I probably didn't even put not even an 1/8 of a cup. I just put just a little teeniest bit in that can. Just enough to give me a little extra moisture. There we go, we're letting that guy heat up. And I brought some 4 cheese, Mexican cheese blend to go on my tacos. And believe it or not, I'm down to 1 Taco Bell sauce packet in my buckets. I thought these things got together, made little babies, and multiplied. They seem to be everywhere. I'm gonna have to be on the lookout for some more of that. So since I didn't have much of that left, I brought some Tabasco and some Texas Pete's. We can ramp the heat up a little. And then I thought some of these charred, crispy tomato red bell peppers might be good on there. Oh wow, we're already starting to, oh yeah, doesn't take long, y'all. We're already getting hot. Go ahead and get my shells out. And the shells in my fajita kit last week, really and truly, I mean, they weren't that big. These were more like taco size shells anyhow. Y'all want to see what it looks like in the cup? Oh yeah, we should give that guy another stir, huh? Yeah. Here, let me show you what we got down on the taco. That's 3 spoonfuls. I'm thinking you probably can get those 7 tacos out of here. And we're gonna try it just like this before I do anything else to it. Let's see how this stuff does. See that? Nice little taco. Not bad, y'all. You know what? I'm gonna give it a solid 7. It's not my favorite taco filling, but it's not bad. This would be a really nice, easy way to have some filling out on the trail. Cheese in there. What do you think? Whew. Trying to burn up my taco. Right, a little clump of cheese. Three spoonfuls seems to be about right. If you have more toppings, probably only 2 spoonfuls. How about a little of this Taco Bell sauce? See if we can ramp it up a little bit. And that's the mild. So go ahead and give it some Texas Pete. Woo-wee! Aha, that popped right out of there, y'all. I'm gonna hold my sauce. Cheese on top. There you go. Camp taco. There we go. Mm-hmm. We're starting to get the banging flavor now, y'all. So, you know, it's not a bad option for camp, guys. I caught them on sale. 2 cans for $4. So, there you go. Your paste taco complete. It's a taco in a can. We'll see you out on the trail. Cheers.